So here we are today. It's the 27th of July. We're hiking Snow Creek Falls. This is the Upper Falls. We brought the fam today. So there's Ben, my mom, puppy, Dad and Adam down there. It's pretty gorgeous up here. We've got these beautiful Upper Falls. Great little Russian Creek here. And I think we're going to head down the falls a little bit. Gonna go check out the lower falls, but here's shot number one. So here we are at the lower falls. There's my brother Ben in there somewhere. Can't really see. But this is the lower falls. Padre. It's pretty gorgeous here. I haven't given you a shot of me yet, so here I am. Beautiful. Got a great hike here. Yeah. So here we are.
Get Izzy swimming.
There's
in the
Mom.
water.
Oh, we got Puppy. Puppy in the water. So yeah, here we are. Lower Snow Creek Falls.